Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Other problems are not so important. All the problems are known to your MLA, both MLAs, and I will discuss with them whatever help is required from Rajbhavan. I am giving you a blank check. You can fill it and we will serve the people. And again I will come. Now completing 600 patients were getting the benefit already so far. 600 patients. Target was 71. 600 actually. And of course, MLAs fund also. I am going to include in our fund. It's a Rajbhavan fund. And we will be very happy. And 71 institutions I visited. I am very happy to say that. It created me a national feeling more and more in my mind. And these types of things could teach lessons to the generations. Because so many persons dedicated their life for the cause of freedom.